Turning the hedgehog is all bad.
What?
La 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 la. Da ding da ling.
Guys, didn't I juke him so hard? Oh, whoa! Yo, bro.
Guys, come on.
Oh.
Beep boop beep bop. I'm gaming. Beep boop beep bop.
Fred? No,
For what?
I just juked both of them.
I don't know if it's you or the monster. No!
Oh my god!
Oh.
Is that the Tito Fruity Fazbell?
Slendy man! Slendy man!
Slendy man! No! Oh! No, my controller! Camper! They all jump scared me at the exact same time. Lady Fazbear! They all jump scared me at the exact same time.
No! My jacking! Oh, it does that! It does that!
But I'm a scat man.
Guys, it does that! Freddy Fazbear jump scare.
Yeah, it does.
Guys, where are you guys?
Boom! Yeah. Oh, I died. So guys,
Alex, come here, come here.
51 remake.
So, come here.
Like, you know,
Quickly, guys, over here.
We
Over here.
obviously have to have Sonic in here.
Oh, come over here.
Sonic. What? Oh!
Come on.
Oh!
Yeah, go over here.
Go,
Fat
go.
face. Fat face.
Oh, Sigu, where are you? Oh, Sigu. Oh, Sigu. Oh, yes, let's go.
I think there's like a safe
Monsters
zone.
in here. Yeah, I think
Wait,
there's
guys, what's up here?
Oh.
Whoa.
So, come on. But
You
there's
come in.
actually a ladder and we're not using it. Where? This goes down.
Yeah. I think it's like a
This
ventilation.
is not scary, not gonna lie. Bro. Oh wait, yo! Yo, how?
Where is this?
Oh, yo guys.
Oh, guys, jump down.
Oh! I died to Sonic the Hedgehog.
Guys, where are you guys?
I died from Hedgehog Hot Sonic. No, I think I know what you died from Hedgehog Sonic.
Guys, where are you guys?
We're coming!
Oh!
Bubbles! Oh, no, you're not.
You guys are so bad. My tracking lost and you could even kill me. Ankles! Hey, ankles! Pose for me.
Guys, watch me swim, guys! Guys, I love my breaststroke swimming! Guys, look at me swim, come on! Oh, hang on!
Guys, come in here. Guys, go in the van. Go in the van.
I'm such an idiot.
Wait, what's over there?
Sonic.exe is an idiot.
Wait, they might not be able to get upstairs.
He took it personal!
Oh, I didn't even notice.
It's personal! They took it personal!
Wait, what? Oh.
So, where are you? I'm coming. Oh! Did you die?
We're in the big room. Oh!
You can go through him.
Yeah, whoa, come on.
Go! My tracking! Oh!
Now, how about we go through this door? Oh.
Oh, hang on, at least to nothing.
I made both of them die. No, we have no friends.
I'm coming back.
The monster killed me because I had no friends.
I see you at the movie. I see you when you die, mate.
Oh, come on. I had long arms for a second.
We passed. And I'm gonna stay still. This lovely Roblox game to give you free diamonds and pets with your lab. are not a non-existent. Capybara, capybara, go.
Louis shall take this time to leave and do the L on these bozos. L bozo.
Capybara, go. Capybara, go.
Oh, you're so bad! You're so bad! Bing, chilling, bing, bing! He heard me. He
Guys,
heard
you
me.
can jump over them.
Oh,
you can literally
okay.
just jump over them. What the heck is my rat?
Chicken, my...
You can literally just jump
Use
over
chicken
them.
jumbo.
Yeah.
It didn't work, fart face.
Guys, my
Never
mind,
mind,
it
it
does
does
not work. Soap, where are you, Soap? Capybara, capybara, go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Slenderman?
Wait! They don't love you like I love you. Wait!
Soap, come here.
They both don't scared me.
Shaky Big Flake 2015 is really tough. Roblox reference, guys!
Stop screaming, man. Guys, watch this amazing Duke. He's left on his knees.
Alex, show him the way to the Roblox reference.
Slenderman got me from behind.
Oh, he's Slenderman. Oh, how scary. No, don't go down there.
Go eat me. I eat cheese. The cheese is very nice.
Have you seen this? Oh. Come on, quick. Come on.
What?
Bro, why are you so bad, dragging? I know, sweet.
My Sigmas.
I want to scary. I tried to my cat.
But I sounded like the Freddy Fazbear jump scare. When he jump scared me, I sounded like the Freddy Fazbear jump scare.
Oh, hell no. Oh my gosh, Freddy Fazbear. Guys, I'll catch you.
I almost buzzed back.
Clipped. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Go to the right. My tracking, I swear, bro. Yo, what? Capybara.
Gaming on my guys, you go. Wee.
I'm gaming on my PC. Gaming.
Where is this?
Yeah, bro, it's so hard to
Double
run
pump.
fast in this game.
They should make it so there's like a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3.
No, but this is Area 51, guys. Elevator.
Oh.
Nah, guys, it's hacking. Guys, the elevator, it's broken. Elevator. Bro, I was about to do this. Elevator. Guys, should we just go back? Should we just go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we go back to the level? Another level. Nah, I like this level. This level is kind of a tutorial.
Hey guys, watch out.
They're not there.
Yeah, I know.
Waking up, duty on my wee way.
Skibbity.
Nah, I dropped my controller.
Wizzy Gat, Ohio.
I dropped my controller in my cat tube thing. Bruh. Coletta, is this Freddy Fazbear?
I'm scared. Shiver me timbers. Boy!
I did them.
My controller. Oh.
No, my tracking uses.
I like bushes.
Yes.
Bushes.
El Pozo, mate. El absolute Pozo.
Now imagine if we could fit through there.
Yeah.
He's
Where are you
definitely
guys?
not right over there. Boy, it's your twin. He's your twin.
Capybara, capybara. Freddy Fazbear's my Freddy Fazbear's my
Why did
twin?
he jump scare me?
I see you. Freddy Fazbear's my twin. Guys, what's down here? What's down here? Fazbear Freddy. Fazbear Freddy. Fazbear Freddy. Fazbear Freddy is my best.
Guys.
on a high note. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, guys, bye. See ya. I'm dinosaur. I'm dinosaur.